Hi, I'm Ville-Veikko Litmanen from Dieta. For over 30 years we have been known of our Dieta kettles, but the world of professional kitchen has changed. Label shortage and quality demands mean that traditional manual boiling or flat pans are no longer enough. Our customers need more automation, consistency and versatility. That's why we have moved to a single product brand, Genier. It's not just a name change, it's a meaning. The name draws from Genius, generation and Genie. Genius stands for intelligence inside. With automation and features like 360 Sense, Genier handles the critical decisions, ensuring perfect results every single time. Generation represents a new era. It's a multifunctional unit that caramelizes onions, prepares meat, whisks creams and mixes salads, doing far more than any traditional pan could. Genie is about our vision. It's the reliable team member that executes your intent with precision. You stay creative. Genier takes care of the rest. The name is new, but our passion and heritage remain the same. Welcome to the Genier journey.